Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let's start our chapter number 3 from the book 1 for grade 1. Al-Muhyee. This is about Al-Muhyee. What does this mean? This means Allah is the giver of life. Allah is the giver of life. So do you know where does the chicken come from? Yes, it comes from an egg. Where does an egg come from? It comes from a hen. Where does a hen come from? Allah made it out of nothing. Where do you find an apple fruit? It grows on an apple tree. Where does that apple tree come from? It comes from another apple tree. Where does that apple tree come from? Almighty Allah created it out of nothing. You can ask these questions about all things and try to give an answer. This will show you that everything has a beginning and that everything also has an end, but not so with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He has no beginning. He has no end. Allah is the living one. Allah is the living one. Allah is the giver of life. Who is the giver of life? Allah is the giver of life. When you look at the sky, the sun, the moon, and the stars, whom do you think of? When you see the trees and mountains, birds and animals, fish and oceans, whom do you think of? Allah created Adam. Allah created Adam. Adam was different from animals and plants in many ways. Adam was a man. He was the first man. The animals and plants cannot think the way we can. They cannot talk, but Adam could do these things. Allah gave him the gift of speech. He gave him the gift of the mind to think with. Allah is the giver of life. Who made the whole world? Almighty Allah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah made the beautiful earth. He filled the earth with many beautiful things. Right? So let's see all of the answers of these questions. You can also give the answers. Right? So the first question is, everything has a beginning. So everything has an end. Right? Everything has a beginning. So everything has an end. Next question is, but not so with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But not so with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Next, Allah is the living one. Yes, Allah is the living one. And the last one is, Allah is the giver of life. Yes, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the giver of life. So there were two last questions. If you like to answer these questions, you can answer in the comments below. The first question is, write down 3 things you can do but plants cannot. Think and write. Okay? The second question is, who has given you these gifts? See you in the next video with the next chapter. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala keep all of us in the good state of Iman. Aameen. Allahumma Aameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.